Who doesn't love a good superhero entrance? Over the course of 23 amazing movies, the MCU has had its fair share of awesome superhero entrances. Welcome to Cinematic Comet, and today I will be ranking my favorite superhero entrances in the MCU. Just to keep things a little different, I will be limiting a superhero to one entrance, otherwise this list might as well be a list of all the epic entrances made by Thor. I mean, he really is the king of superhero entrances, isn't he? In addition to this, I will not be including the Avengers Assemble scene, as that is technically not the entrance of a single hero, but almost all our beloved heroes.
Avengers! Assemble.
I'm still upset that we didn't get Natasha Romanoff in this scene. Also, talking about kings, can we take a moment to appreciate the king of superhero landings, which is none other than Tony Stark, and you don't have to take my word for it, watch it for yourself. Getting back to business. Number 5. Captain Marvel enters the final battle, Avengers Endgame. Carol Danvers is absent for most of Avengers Endgame, but when she does enter the scene, it sure is amazing. Our hero seems to be in trouble after Thanos orders his battleships to rain fire after Wanda terrifies him in another goosebump inducing scene.
Rain fire! But sire, our troops, just do it!
Paving the way for Carol to come in and destroy all the ships, rendering Thanos' plan useless. And of course, just like Wanda, she successfully manages to scare the living daylights out of Thanos. Number 4. Tony Stark, The Avengers. As mentioned earlier in the video, Tony Stark truly is the king of the superhero landing. In The Avengers, not only does he ace the superhero landing, but he also makes a very unique entrance in Germany to fight off Loki. In true Tony Stark fashion, he overrides Natasha's radio system to put on his trademark style of music, which puts a smile not just on her face, but all of us as well. Also extra marks for this scene, as this is the first time Steve Rogers and Tony Stark meet one another. Talk about epic.
Mr. Stark. Captain.
Number 3. Spider-Man swings into the action. Captain America Civil War. Spidey's home. We get to see our favorite web slinger in action for the first time in the MCU after that heartwarming and hilarious interaction he had with Tony Stark. And what a way to make a mark.
Alright, I've run out of patience. On to ruse!
Of course, Peter Parker is awestruck to see so many of his childhood heroes, and him just processing the moment had to be one of the best parts of the airport battle scene. Marvel and Spidey fans had been waiting for this day for years, and the fact that we finally got to see Peter's Spider-Man in the MCU was such a huge deal back then. His interactions with all the heroes was exactly what we were looking forward to.
You have a metal arm?
Number 2. Captain America, Avengers, Infinity War. If I wasn't trying to make this list as objective as I could, this would definitely top my list. The last we saw of Steve Rogers barring his cameo in Spider-Man Homecoming was in Captain America Civil War. While we were aware that Cap was a fugitive and was presumably on the run because of the same, we didn't know any details. Of course, when pics of Nomad Cap with the long hair and beard surfaced online, the internet broke and people couldn't wait to see our Captain on screen. The Russo brothers made us wait. In fact, the scene made its way to the movie after about 40 minutes into the movie. And boy, was it worth the wait. This is the first time Cap made his appearance in the movie, making it even more epic if that was even possible. I don't think I can do enough justice to this scene by describing it, so I'll just let you guys watch it. Seeing the Secret Avengers save the day with the Avengers theme in the background, what more could we ask for? I vividly remember how the theater erupted when Cap appeared out of the shadows when I watched Infinity War for the first time. It was electric and definitely one of the loudest responses that I have been a part of at a cinema hall. Number 1. Thor enters Wakanda, Avengers Infinity War. There's just something about Infinity War and amazing entrances, isn't there? I'm sure this is at the very top of a lot of MCU fans' list, and why wouldn't it? After Thor nearly gave his life while trying to create his new weapon to fight Thanos, he wastes no time to arrive at the battlefield and exact vengeance. Our heroes were in trouble with Thanos' army overwhelming and overpowering them. This served as the perfect time for the mighty God of Thunder to make his epic entrance. Thor in his full glory with Rocket and Groot accompanying him and the Avengers team playing in the background. The way Thor shouts for Thanos still gives me goosebumps every time I watch this scene.
Bring me Thanos!
So there you have it guys, my pick for the top superhero entrances in the MCU. I tried making this list as objectively as I could, but of course I do realize that everyone has their own opinions and likes and dislikes, so personal lists are inevitably going to differ. Thankfully we have the comment section for that, where we can discuss our favorite entrances and many more things. So do leave a comment in the comment section, and if you like this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to Cinematic Comment for more content on the MCU. I shall see you guys next time, and until then, remember to aim for the moon, because even if you miss, you land among the stars.